Welcome back, folks. This is part 2 of the LAESK8 ride remix to Signal Hill Sunday cruise ride. We're here today, Crystal and I. We brought our BBSHD mountain bikes because, I don't know, because why not? We try to flip-flop every week. We'll use the Super73, we'll use the arielrider, then we'll use these mountain bikes, so we could kind of like flip-flop. We just came from a road trip, so we're just adding miles on this. Let's talk about if it's worth keeping my meetup membership for my group rides. Let's talk about the pros and cons on this vlog. But first, let's cue in the intro. Okay, underpass. All right, have not been here. So, well, going back to the meetup group. If you didn't know, I have a meetup group that I host e-bike events at, and it's an app. It's like you know, to share experiences with other individuals that are like-minded. It's basically like Facebook, but with a lot less features. And let's just go over the cons of the meetup group. All right, the cons of the meetup group. Biggest con is it costs money. My gosh, it costs money. It's like $100 to $200 a year, and it adds up, you know. And you might not think it's not that much, but if you think about it, you can host rides on Facebook, kind of like the way LAESK8 does, like this ride. So that's the con, and it has less features than Facebook for sure. Like it has like an outdated kind of media uploading format, and you can't tag friends. I mean, you can, but not as good as the way you can tag on Facebook. And you always have to like downsize your photos, I believe, before you can upload on Meetup. So those are like the little cons.
I have some.
Oh, fix the flat?
Yeah, where's he at? Back there?
Yeah, he's rolling along here.
You guys are getting expensive. I got him.
Nice, man. Fix a flat. Always have Mark around you when you have a flat, because he has fix a flat. I'm just gonna take a walk and just watch people in the truck. But you can. I used to run a lot. You can't catch me. And you know I run the dogs. That was actually the quickest I've seen you move. You actually ran. There's so much space.
No, there isn't. It's very tight.
Yeah. What school is this? Chittick Field? Is that what I'm reading? All right, anyway, cons of meetup. What else? Honestly, there's not a lot of cons in the meetup. It's really just that expense. You know, it's like another Facebook with less features. Sometimes it's $100 a year. Sometimes it's $200 a year. They flip-flop with their discounts. And I just, you know, I'm not sure. I'm at a fence to where if I should still continue it. I think there's like 330 members, but as of now. But let's talk about the pros. The pros, I initially made the meetup because I was a realtor. I was a licensed realtor with Keller Williams, and I was going to basically farm clients that way. I was going to expand the group and advertise my own. And on the side, we just do, e-bike adventures on the side. That was originally why I made that group, but things have changed. I'm no longer with Keller Williams. I'm actually with Redfin now. totally happy with Redfin, and I'm not a realtor where I need to always advertise myself. I'm just a support agent with Redfin. I work on the queues, we get the inquiries. So in case you are looking for a house, looking to buy or sell, definitely, if you give us a call, I'm the one that's going to be picking up. And that's in California. Get out of here. I'm doing a video. Are you mocking me? So, yeah. The other pro about Meetup is it's for people that don't like Facebook or don't use Facebook. And, believe it or not, half of my friends don't use Facebook. So it's a way to kind of get organized. It's kind of like basically another Evite. But the biggest pro in Meetup, in my opinion, is the fact that you as an event organizer can limit group rides or limit your events, right? You could even charge money too if you want, but I didn't. You gotta fix the flat. I think you gotta fix the flat. He didn't get to hear. I'm sure Mark helped him out. Ooh, that would have been an accident. But there's the car. He's back on the action. Oh, he's just dusting everyone. Yeah, so the biggest pro about Meetup is that you can limit people, because like I'm not the type that can ever host a big ride like this. It's just not me. Kudos to these guys. They're amazing. They take on a lot of responsibilities and a lot of pre-routing these events. So I've met a lot of friends through it. I'm definitely looking for more electric mountain bike friends, ultimately, because that's such a small niche, electric mountain bikers, There aren't a lot, in my opinion. But the fact that you can limit your meetup group to under 10 or under, that's the most comfortable ride that I can lead, in my opinion. It's just hard to lead when you're by your own. You always gotta, I'm the type of leader that don't leave anyone behind, so that I'm always looking ahead and looking back at the same time. So that's just things to keep in mind. And it keeps me busy. I think that's the biggest thing why I still have Meetup. But I don't know, pretty soon I think, I keep myself busy enough now that I think that I'm gonna end Meetup. My Meetup E-Bike Adventures Meetup link. But if it's still there, then great. Like and subscribe, join. Feel free to join me in my group rides. We could always use a few more like-minded folks. But that's my rant about the Meetup app. Costs money. It's not the best, but it does have its own pros and cons here and there. So if you're interested in my group rides, I definitely like off-road more. So feel free to check that out. It's in my description below. So the only downside is the car, had to lift up their EV here. Whereas our bikes can just go over it pretty easy. All right, let's go.
Car.
80 pound car, 80 pound EV. Going uphill here. We'll see where the group rides are heading towards. Ooh, we got air. Yes, sir. Oh, it's getting tight here. Getting pretty tight here. But that's where the mountain bikes shine. Those ramps and off-terrain, obviously. And the mid-drive shines when you're climbing. So like something like this, easy breezy. Oh, it's getting steeper. Let's change my gears. I love that song. Mr. Chairman in the house. With that new chain ring, you have more gears, okay? And she looks like she kind of has a flat. Maybe I'll pump her tires. Above Signal Hill. I've been here once. Oh, don't worry about it. I'm the one in the wrong way. Don't worry about it, kids. Got the Luna folding bike. Nice. BBSO2, and that's all you really need. Here we go, Signal Hill. A crazy view. Yes, sir. Pretty early here, though. Typically, this would be a cool sunset view. But I made it. Restroom and food truck. You want to get ice cream? Food truck. They said we're going to be here for a bit. All right, break time, break time. Got full service. Photos, tour guide, the whole shalada. Love it. Yep, sunset. 2 minutes left, probably. You're matching me, bro. Sorta, kinda.
It's because we held hands in front of it.
That's so annoying, holding hands and e-biking.
Popular.
That was like,
Oh my God.
I would kick those two if I saw that. Or I would go and I would drive in between them if I ever see another couple holding hands.
Check that out.
Yeah, got a room. All right, we're rolling out. Just last look at the sunset. We out. Thank you. Had a food truck, what do they have? Like a smoothie, an Oreo smoothie, pretty good. They have elotes and stuff, and I hear they have everything too. They have a lot of cool stuff. Thanks, Mark.
Oh, no, you're not.
So Crystal was a little bit behind. She had a flat tire, and thanks to these Super73 riders, Brandon, they helped us out. They helped her out. Thank you, sir. And now she's back on the horse. And Kong waited for us too, so that they can guide us. Amazing. Gotta love the LAESK8 community for sure. Everyone's just willing to help, willing to give a helping hand. Yeah, it looks okay now. Our tires. A little steep. A lot steep. Okay, I only have front brakes, but okay, here I go. I hear a noise on your bike. What is that noise? Okay, so you slow down. Don't run Kong over. Oh, this is fun. Oh yeah, let's get it. Yes, sir. Double brakes, equal braking for you. I'm gonna end up doing an endo. I'm gonna bomb it, Kong. I'm gonna bomb it. Yes, sir. Get it. Here we go, here we go. Catching on up. Hopefully. All right, we caught up. Thankfully, thank God we caught up. Still gotta figure out what's making noise in Crystal's bike. It's like a creak. What noise is that? It's like creaking. That's not the gears. Someone's saying, turn that crap off. No? Crystal almost fell. And we were disturbing the piece there. All kinds of things going on. Music's too loud for some people. Turn that off, they said. So obviously, electric vehicles are, supposed to be really quiet, but if someone's thumping music around the residential neighborhood, we're just as disturbing as a loud motor car. Kind of defeats the purpose a little bit, but it is what it is. Some people don't like it. Some people are okay with it. It is what it is. Here we go. Getting towards the water area. Getting pretty dark in my opinion. I could rarely determine anyone who's who anymore. That's because maybe I'm still wearing my shades. Let me take off my shades. Okay, it's a little bit better. Took off my shades. But I can't see where Crystal is. Looks like she's already up ahead. Alright. A little bit past sunset now. 7:21. Busy today. Yes, sir. Heading towards the boardwalk now, it looks. Thank you. Alright, let's check on your bike.
I almost got in a bike accident.
What happened?
There's this guy, he's not with us, and he's making a left turn at the intersection.
Uh-huh.
He just
He cut you off?
got into my path, and then he's pushing my steering.
Really?
Yeah.
What a jerk. Where is he? Okay, get off your bike. I'm gonna check something. What was he riding?
The normal bike.
So he's not an e-bike.
No, he wasn't with us.
Uh-huh.
He didn't do any hand signals. He didn't say anything.
Okay, let me just check. Let me check what's creaking. Ugh, he got bullied? Alright, let's see what's up with Crystal's bike. There's some creaking sounds. Let's see. Fenders are flapping, maybe? Maybe that sound? What is going on with this bike? Nope. This bike feels normal. It's just like the normal creaking sound. Alright, we're good. Yes, sir. Alright, feels normal. Feels normal. That's actually just the regular creaking sound that this bike makes. But we're good. So let's go. Let's get it. We don't really go to the lighthouse anymore. Wait, where's my headlights? I think my headlights may have died. Oh well, no more headlights. Low bat on everything. So that's going to be the video, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Question of the day is, should I keep on keeping on my meetup group? Costing me about $100 to $200 a year. That's just as much as my 24-hour fitness gym that I used to have. So something I'm considering. Maybe I don't need it anymore. I've already met enough friends. But I still like the idea of organizing events and having it limited. Whereas, it's a little more controlled. And, I like organizing. It's pretty cool. Just takes a lot of my time, but it's fun. At least I get to choose where I'd like to go next. X, Y, and Z. Anyhow, that's the ride today, folks, for LAESK8. Yo. I gotta stop that guy for a busted taillight. One of it looks like his left taillight is gone. That's gonna be the ride, folks. Check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your next electric vehicle. Like and subscribe for more content. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.